Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be looking at part 3-38F, the boiler blower valve spindle hand wheel for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, let's go. File, new, part MMGS. Alright, so let's get into it. Let's do... front will do. Actually, do top. Doesn't really matter. But we want circle. We want one circle. Actually, it's got 4, 5, like top, bottom, left, right, and middle hole. But I'm going to do them individually. Or the middle hole one and the outside as a group. So let's do this. Gonna be 20 with a thickness of 4 mil. Beautiful. Now on top we got normal sketch. Let's click out that unhighlighted thing. We want circle first, and that's going to be construction, and that's going to be 12 there. Now we want to go to, just going to put these here for the moment. I'm just putting them off there for a reason, just make it a little bit easier. Now, the center point circles, those 3 will be horizontal. These 3 here, or the 2 circles in the middle one, will be vertical. Okay, that's good. Now this point here will be joined. This point to this point will be joined. Now by rights that circle should not be able to move. I can change size, but I can't move the circle because it's locked that way and locked that way. Again, lock it in. Especially, what's it called? Make cedent. There we go. Okay, so now these 4 holes are the same. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 make equal. Just click off screen so unhighlight everything, and that's going to be its circumference of, diameter of 5. So that's those 4 holes done. That's going to go all the way through. So feature, extrude, through all, and done. Done. Thank you. Now I could have done this hole with those ones because it's 4 mil, so it's no different, but I just wanted to do it separately. But it could have been done on there, so that's no big deal. That's going to be 4 mil. 4 mil. Done. Extrude cut. Through all, and done. Now that's going to be hole wizard, thread. Is that the last one I do was 4? It was beautiful. Actually, no, I'm just thinking I might try something. Let's try something. No, let's not try something. Cut that bit out. Okay, so start there. End there. That's going to be cut. That's going to be, oh, sorry. Let's scroll down. Trim and trim. And done. There we go. That's good. So that's part 3-38F, the boiler blower valve spindle hand wheel done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, leave any comments, suggestions, whatnot. Always happy to hear from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.